Did you know that over 30% of retirees have seen their savings take a hit in the last few months alone? The stock market's volatility has already wiped out billions of dollars from portfolios, and now we're seeing inflation on the rise, combined with looming economic uncertainty. It's enough to keep anyone up at night. And as a retiree, it can feel like the rug could be pulled out from under you at any moment. But here's the thing. There's a way to not only survive, but actually safeguard your wealth against this turbulence. You've probably heard of it. Gold IRAs. And today I'm going to show you exactly why this could be your best financial move in this uncertain time. But first, let me tell you about a real couple, Dave and Maria from Arizona. Dave worked his entire life as a manager at a tech company, and Maria was a teacher. They both saved diligently into their 401k and IRA accounts. After decades of hard work, they were looking at over $800,000 in retirement savings. Then, the market crashed. The last thing they wanted was for their nest egg to disappear. They watched helplessly as their 401k dropped by 15% in just a few months. Now, Dave and Maria were smart. They knew they had to protect their wealth. That's when they decided to explore the option of rolling over part of their savings into a gold IRA. Within months, their account started stabilizing, and they were able to secure the future they had worked so hard for. But it wasn't easy to know where to start. In fact, it took a bit of research, and they even reached out for help. That's exactly what I want to offer you today, the chance to get a free gold IRA guide and a no-obligation consultation. If you have $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, this could be your best next step. Now, why is this so important? Because gold IRAs provide a shield against the unpredictability of the stock market. When everything around us is crumbling, gold has historically risen in value. It's been a safe haven during every major economic crash for centuries. A gold IRA works by protecting a portion of your retirement savings with physical gold, meaning you're not at the mercy of volatile markets anymore. In addition, it's easy to roll over your existing 401k or IRA into a gold IRA. It's a tax-free process, and you don't need to worry about penalties. You can have peace of mind knowing your savings are protected with the reliability of gold. But here's the best part. There's absolutely no pressure to buy anything. This isn't about flashy gimmicks like free silver. This is about education. I'll personally guide you through the process during a one-on-one consultation. And if a gold IRA isn't the right fit for you, no worries. The goal is to give you the information you need to make an informed decision. And let me remind you, there's no sales pitch, no obligation, just pure education. Dave and Maria's story started with them getting that free gold IRA guide, and now they're sleeping soundly, knowing their future is secure. You worked hard to build your retirement. Now protect it for you, your family, and the next generation. Click the link below to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your no obligation call. Don't wait. Protect your retirement before another market dip catches you off guard. Remember, this is about protecting what's yours. No pressure, just the facts. Secure your future today.